In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your HP DeskJet 4200 series printer that is printing the blurry text. Sometimes the text is not clear, and to fix that problem, we have to go to the smartphone, open the HP app. If you want to know how to connect it, you can just check my video on the Wi-Fi setup or Wi-Fi direct setup. Once you go into the app, scroll down, look for the option Print Quality Tools under the Diagnostics. Select the second option, Align Printheads, and print the alignment page. So this is basically a problem with the alignment. Once we complete the alignment, printer will start to work normal and it will print clear text. Open the lid. Place this page facing down on this corner on the end, and then click on the Done Scan Alignment page. So just wait for a few seconds. Once the alignment is done, then we are ready to use the printer and it will improve the print quality. Alignment is done. Press here and then go back to the main screen. Thanks for watching.